welcome back. My name is Leo. I'm here with SKILLSART. Today I'm going to explain to you guys how to use MT5 and the basic functions of how to operate on it. And I'm sure you guys know on the computer. Okay, so now we're here on the computer. This is MT5. It's the main software that all the brokers use. It's a standard throughout the industry. And the way that you use it, you got to download it from, you could get it from our link below, or you could also Google MT5 or MetaTrader 5. And you'll be able to find download links for it everywhere. All right, so once you open it, this is the screen that you're gonna see. This is the stock default. What you wanna do is, you go down here to Navigator, you right click Accounts, and you put Open Account. And you'll look for the server that you open up the account with. From here, you could connect with the login and the password, and then you put the server. This is where you plug in the information that you're going to receive in the email once you open up an account with us. You just plug in the login, the master password, finish, and then it will boot you into the actual account. And you'll be able to see down here the trades. This is you'll be able to see your balance. And you get more information here too in the exposure, history, and the history will show you all the trades that you make. If you guys want to continue watching this video, subscribe to our website at skillsarts.com. We have more content and exclusive indicators that will help you succeed in the markets. Till next time.